Since beginning the series on Wim Hof, I've had quite a bit of feedback on people's experiences with the breathing exercises and cold therapy. Equally, I get a number of questions about using the techniques, so I thought I'd try and answer some of them in this video. Hopefully the questions covered in this video will allay any possible concerns you have or provide you with the information you need about practicing the method. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the questions. Can I do the Wim Hof method when sick or pregnant? When unwell, your energy is being used by the body in a process to heal. During this time, it is often best not to strain yourself and keep rested, though you can practice the breathing exercises in a relaxed manner. However, if you're pregnant, it is not recommended to practice the Wim Hof method, as the potential effects it could have on an unborn baby aren't currently known. Can anyone practice the Wim Hof method? The Wim Hof method is generally likely to be safe for anyone without any health conditions, though it's recommended that if you have any concerns or doubts, please speak to your doctor. However, it is recommended to be avoided if you suffer with any serious conditions, such as epilepsy, high blood pressure, coronary heart disease, or if you have any history of serious health issues like heart failure or stroke. In addition, if you suffer from migraines, it's important to take caution if taking ice baths. Can children do the Wim Hof method? The breathing techniques can cause lightheadedness and even loss of consciousness if done too intensely. While many children are able to cope with the strain that techniques put on the body, due to their inability to assess the risks and are still developing physically, it is recommended that anyone under 16 should be supervised by a responsible adult. In these circumstances, it's best children be eased into adapting to the techniques and shouldn't be pushed too hard past their comfort zone. When should I do the Wim Hof method? While the breathing and cold shower exercises can be done at any time, they're best done on an empty stomach, usually early in the morning before you have breakfast. It's been found that the body is most responsive to the techniques when you haven't eaten, similar to some forms of exercise for weight loss. Why do I feel worse after doing the method? There are times that some people may need to adapt to doing the Wim Hof method, resulting in them feeling a little worse before they start to feel better. Usually it takes a few weeks of regular practice before your body adapts, but it will normally change over time and feel more comfortable. In that sense, it's a bit like starting up exercise for your health or weight loss. It's usually tough and painful at the start, but the body changes and adapts, growing stronger through the process, usually taking around 3 weeks. How long should I do the Wim Hof method? One of the most common questions is how long does it take to apply the Wim Hof method? On average, going through the breathing exercises and cold therapy takes about 20 minutes in the day. However, what's more important to note is that we're talking about a lifestyle change too, so applying the techniques and learning to focus on your breathing in particular is going to extend beyond the exercises, to you consciously practicing it during the day. Does this answer your questions about the Wim Hof technique? If not, feel free to ask in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.